So I guess I don't have that much time today for part one. Third one joined. Yeah, so I made a little audio engine thing. I'm gonna have to go look over it, and then I'm gonna have to re-implement Obi on Android. And I've been trying to do a few explicit Android projects, like text to voice. Raspberry Pi has this cool thing called espeak, and you can make it say stuff. It's a pretty optimized system, but it's been giving me a lot of headaches trying to compile espeak. I'm gonna try again. I don't know, sometimes you just leave it for hours and like you come back and Gradle figures it out, which is the weirdest thing because it drives you nuts when it doesn't. So one of the things I did last night, which I kind of should have streamed, but I was just like not in that streaming mode. Let's just run this real quick just to kind of get a refresher, and then I'll go in and maybe modify a few things on the PC version, because the PC version I did also modify a few things. So this is the prior kind of version. Let's see, the device, maybe the device needs a password. Yeah, the device is offline. In terms of the Android, yeah, so I've been trying to add this last fart so it wouldn't play the fart sound. Installation finished. Alright. Can we mirror this? No. Go back. How do you make it go back? Dock it. Yeah, we don't want to auto activate. That creates problems. So Android 13. I thought it was 14 running on this. Well, let's go take a look what I was talking about. And so like this is the espeak. I actually didn't want to do this. I still have to figure out how to set the device parameter. Can I just put speakers USB? No, I can't. Yeah, that won't. It sends it, but it's not the right parameter. Now I have to compile this for mingw. But I've compiled that with Visual Studio on the other computer. I'm trying to find where I am. Where am I? Yeah, it's this. Okay. Oh, it's not compiled. Okay. So we're working on the map editor. I need to get the quad going. The quad, adding sprites dynamically, physics engine stuff. I've gotten a physics engine beta test thing working. 2D box is in there, but I want to manually be able to manipulate 2D box for a lot of reasons, like being to create physics myself. Okay, so I fixed up those boxes. I added some more boxes. Oh, my UI disappeared. No, it didn't. Wait, it's over there, but well, it's supposed to do that.
Hello, I'd like to eat burgers because my farts are not good enough.
Alright, so that's a little messed up still.
Hello, I'd like to...
The question is, why? Alright, so last fart, play dark fart sound. Alright, so elapsed time, so it's 0.5 seconds should be good enough. Let's up it to 1.5 for now. So this is like part 2 of my audio engine. Part 1 is creating this really intense. It's kind of intense, but it's kind of stupid. That's where the wave is located, or the file name, and then it puts it into some sort of thing. We didn't compile what we needed to. Wait, why? Oh, because it's always stupid. CMD just decides to have bad history.
Hello, I'd like to eat burgers because my farts are not good enough.
Okay, the double echo still. Why? Last played fart sound. Oh, okay. So let's see if that happens the second time. Maybe it's only the first time.
Hello, I'd like
No, double echoes. Last played fart sound is greater than don't understand the logic here. Oh, we kind of need to divide it by this number. Let's see, that should fix it.
Hello, I'd like to eat burgers because my farts are not good enough. Hello, I'd like to my farts are not good enough because my farts are not good enough. Hello, I'd like to eat burgers because my farts are not good enough.
So it's kind of like asynchronous or something. Alright. These boxes, I wanted to do the fizzbox thing next and start editing the map editor. And having the map editor also be like
hello, I'd
somewhat
like
entity
to
component.
eat burgers because my farts are not good enough.
It'll be nice to also make a camera class and zoom out. Alright, let's go take a look at the device. What is the supercomputer doing? How do we open in Device Explorer where it's parable? Yeah, that's the other fun thing I want to do. So mess around with the, I guess that's how you do it. Mess around with the wearable. How do I minimize that? Okay. So if I click here, it crashes. So I have to do it on my screen.
Oh, I'd like to eat burgers because my farts are not good enough. Oh, I'd like to
Yeah, it keeps looping.
burgers because my
But that's the
farts are
B.
not
That's the A I generated yesterday with the AI. I used Grok, made AI, and Bard, and maybe Copilot, but I felt like there was 4 of them in the browser. This is me generating that, the thread stuff, the audio engine. Oh yeah, I generated more code for displaying numbers and stuff. I have to end that. Yeah, the sound system I made will actually keep playing even if I exit my app. Not exit it, but switch to another app, like be it a multimedia app playing something right off the back, like probably TikTok, it'll still keep playing my sound, which is kind of cool. It's like it makes me think, oh, how do I implement picture-in-picture mode and put something on the screen? It's like an overlay. And then I'm also studying on how to do the, so I did this. That's how I made the buttons. And it gets it a little wrong. Like, it doesn't do this part on its own. Then I have to, like, mess the coordinates. So the one I really liked was kind of like how it did it like this. Even though it didn't get it right at first, it, like... yeah, I did this. So it didn't use the frag coordinate parameter, which you need because it won't work right. It'll be somewhere else. So later on, you have to put frag coordinate right there. And then the line width of the line going up and down, or for the A, it's horizontal, is how you determine by this. So what happened was I had to do a little more division. These are both B's, and this is the A. So you have to divide explicit, like right here. So that basically determines the line width of A. So if you'll run it again. See how the A, oh, I can't click there. Whoops. It kind of screws it up. How do I scroll if I can't click? Well, yeah, so the A, this was way too thick, and I had to readjust. The B, I have to kind of remake it here. Like maybe get rid of these inner circles, and make another line right here, and then maybe butcher this part of the circle to actually make it look like a B, but it is too much work in a sense. The Y I need to fix. The A is good. The X is good. I like how big the X is. We might have to increase the A. These ones are the two other mess ups that it just generated, and I was just like, I'm going to keep these around for a little bit just to maybe see if I can mess with them, but it's really wasting more of my time. Then I had to kind of move the UI so I could see this one. I have to just move it down here somewhere. Maybe make it another. Yeah, I need to make a duck because this is what I'm clicking right now, or I'm touching actually. And then the other problem would be to flip the screen horizontally. Where is it? What if I did that? Yeah, like, would it draw it right? Oh, okay. So it does draw it right, but it doesn't draw the buttons right. Okay. So there's still... This is where I'm kind of hitting. Actually, that's not where I'm hitting. I'm going around like this, kind of, just to see if I can hit a button. And obviously it's not positioning right, but it doesn't, it knows it's in landscape mode, but it doesn't know it's in landscape mode. Okay. That's an interesting one. What if it's upside down? Yeah, so upside down it draws it upside down, and it works, meaning that I'm clicking here and it's doing the movements. Okay.
Oh, I'd like to eat burgers because my farts are not good enough. Oh, I'd like to eat.
Okay. Alright. So that's interesting. What the fuck is this? URL query sanitizer. Where does this come in? Oh, it's inside of the SDK somewhere. It's where I think I need to look into. It'd be interesting to read that too, but whatever. I don't have time right now. Why is this still upside down? Oh, it is upside down. Why though? I would think it's somewhere in input function. So I've been adding more boxes. I want to play a few of those games on PC. Let's see. Yeah, so input. I think I should be able to get. Was it in render class? Where would it be? Probably in main or render on event. On events create or something. I would have to go look in catalog. Beginning of main. Can't scroll up. It's not doing what the device, what this is showing, it's not doing. That's funny. It's not synchronized sometimes. Oh, I see why. Window insets changed. EGL error success on surface created native. Window resized. Blah blah blah. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to override that and fix that, so people can actually use it and it'll still conform to my shaders. game activity. Yes, it's right here. It's kind of one of them. On surface created or on surface changed.